Let's see. Let's see. All right. So let me start by looking at Yahoo Finance. Don't really see anything that looks super good over here on the scanners as of yet. Let's see. Private payrolls. Private payrolls fell by 301,000. Hmm. Stock futures extend gains. Alphabet jumps after earnings. The market lesson in the Spotify Joe Rogan drama. PayPal shares plunged 17%. Wait a minute. Where is that? PayPal. What's up, Daniel B? What is PayPal's ticker? PayPal. Okay. They dropped 17%, but it looks like they rebounded a little bit down there at PayPal. Hmm. All right, let me continue on. Crypto regulation. Baskin Robbins unveiled. Okay, whatever. Three assets. Job openings. Google is finally splitting its stock. Will Amazon be next? Don't know. Market Digest, JP Morgan, blah, blah, blah. All right, let's jump over to Stockhouse. Oh, that's what I meant to do. Good morning, Lightning Rick. I need to change these settings. Can barely see this picture. There we go. All right. Feature news. Next Leaf provides corporate update. EA and the NFL team up with Madden 2020, Madden 22 virtual Pro Bowl event. Black Seeds only low cost. Blah blah blah. Heritage Cannabis. Three big stocks. Leading green hydrogen company accelerates commercial development of home power unit. What is this? Okay. Global supply chain Aberdeen International Inc. Nah, I don't want that. 2 days ago, blah blah blah. So nothing really popping on the scanners just yet. So I just be patient this morning and see if anything starts to kind of get some action. But I think the market is gonna have to settle down a little bit after all this motion for anything else to get any kind of good traction. Yeah, because at this point, you know, with the SPY, we saw that test of the, or yeah, pretty much that test of the 450, and it's just been hanging around that level, and that level was previous support. So will it become resistance? And the SPY is taking time and just really confirming levels. So will it be over the next couple of days that it hits the 450, hits the 450, hits the 450, then comes down, or will it do the same and go up? Is my question for it. Because right now on Street Smart Edge on the 4-hour chart, you can see this bottom that formed at the 426 twice down there. So we got that twice in that little area. DWAC also popped up to $83. That thing really thought it was going to be going down, but seemed to have held that level at the 65, 60, something like that. Yeah, 65 level. Popped right back out of there. Boy, boy, boy. I remember when DWAC was just a little kid. It was $11. Biden approved sending troops to Ukraine. I wonder, does he understand that approval? AMD, let's jump back over here to the scans. AMD is the biggest mover with volume on today. Lightning rig, this will never happen. This can cost Ukraine attack from Russia. Possibly. Good morning, Danielle. Penny stocks taking a little break. Biggest mover on the day is AMD up 11% on volume. I don't know why I'm feeling like it's gonna be a pullback day. Cam is gonna wait. My cam is gone. Okay, there I am. I didn't know it was off. My bad. Oh yeah, let's check out any IPOs. I remember MTech was one that I looked up earlier. MTech and ACLX. MTech, we are a provider of remote video, audio, and telemetry acquisition, distribution, and sharing solutions and products. Using high-end digital video, audio, and wireless communication technologies, we design, develop, manufacture, and commercially sell miniature intelligent video and audio surveillance and communication systems, which are offered as products and solutions for the professional as well as the civilian and home security markets. Okay, so KSCP was another tech stock, so we'll watch this one. And it's supposed to be opening up at what price? Oh, that's gonna be super cheap. $4.20. Hmm. It's got three million shares gonna be in the float. Supposed to be opening sometime today. The other one is ACLX. ACLX. We're a clinical stage biotechnology company re-imaging cell therapy through the development of innovative immunotherapies for patients with cancer and other incurable diseases. So that's like 1 in a million. So I'll be watching the other one. This one's gonna open up at a higher price though, ACLX, but this one's gonna open up on the 4th, not today. So that's got a little bit of time on it. MTech is the one that's supposed to be popping today. But we will see what happens. If MTech gets some sympathy play because of the other tech IT company, KSCP, maybe we'll see some good moves out of it, but I don't know. KSCP is back down to $12, I believe. KSCP. Night scope. Yeah, 12.25. So had a nice giant rip from 6 up to $30 and then right back down to 12. So yeah, it's crazy. Yeah, I saw some articles on that too, Lauren. Daniel B says CIK is garbage. CIK. Um, I don't even think I ever looked at CIK. It never popped on my scanners. I don't even know what this company is. Stock hits 52-week high. I wouldn't trade that anyway. Oh yeah, yeah, ACLX. Okay, got you, Dane B. Yeah, yeah. That biopharm, like, nah, I'm good. I'd rather do an IT company that gets some news behind it. Probably get in small if it's gonna be opening up at 4. Get in small and see if I can just ride it up on some sympathy hype. But I don't know. Today being it seems like it's just slow. No kind of 20% gainers, 15% gainers, none of that. The highest we got is a 10% gainer. That's scary. We got 5 minutes to the bell. Look back over here at my other stocks. BTCS flattening out. SRRA very low volume. All right. Nothing too interesting on my previous watch list. Wonder will this point at the 460 cause it problems today, the SPY? Will it get up to the 460 and start to struggle? Right there at that little tip on the 4-hour. Or actually, no, this is on the hour. Got right up there to that 460. You can kind of see it over here. Looks like One Life is shoveling snow. We got already 15 inches and still snowing. Man, we didn't get nothing but like a partial, it seemed like a partial tornado last night. All that wind. Sounded like the house was just leaning. But we all good. It's still raining outside. That's all we get is rain. It probably starts off as ice up high, but boy, Mississippi Heat ain't no game. It ain't gonna let it hit the ground and snow. DWAC taking a little bit of a trip down. AMD and Nvidia are their top movers. I just keep them up here and see when they fail. Video. See what AMD wants to do. Nvidia not looking too nice. 1 minute left. AMD kind of looking top heavy on this 4-hour. Just a little bit. $30 seconds. What's up, SB? We may see all of these just go red out of the open. AMD looking like it's already tested this little 129.57 a couple times. Looking like that 4 hours lining up for a nice little dump off here. Got a little pop. So yeah, wow. Extending down there on AMD. So everything is now currently red on the day that was on my scanners. Let me see what Nvidia ended up doing. Nvidia taking a nice little dump down there too. SPY, what we looking like on the SPY? Doing the exact same thing pretty much. Just hasn't made a rip down like that. I don't know if it's going to. Right at the bottom, it's right at the bottom level of this. Let's see, 455. I see a little bit of volume coming in there on that 4-hour chart. So it may end up testing that 455 here. Continuing to push down on AMD. Has this little bottom here at the 125.73. Will it get a bounce there at that 125.75-ish area? Going down there to that 125.75 area. Let's see if it'll get a nice little bounce. DWAC back to 80 bucks. $10 million shares traded on this one. Once I think what's going to happen is going to crack this a little bit, try to get through that 125 and bounce up just a little bit, and then continue down. Just a quick bounce play off this level, touching that level now. Little bounce from the 126 or 125.53. That's a dollar bounce right there. So about $1.50 right there. That'll be a very quick little bounce play off of that. That'll be kind of like a sniper shot. So all the way back up here off this level. And now the continuation down. SPY going back green on the day, very small green. DWAC breaking down the 80. Getting another bounce right there at that level, or above that level, higher low right there. So finding some buying pressure off that 125.75 area. But at this point, if it came back up to the 127.70, where would shorts want to enter this one? Come check this 127.70 and then give us a little move down, then a little bit more green, and then continuation down. Let's see if we can get that. Don't see anything else new popping up on the scanner. Maybe once these fail, we'll see a little bit more action. Good morning, One Life. Bouncing up there, giving a little bit of green, and now we're looking for that red to come back in. DWAC continuing down as well. Very low volume though in comparison. Nvidia also had a pop, but it was less. I mean, it was kind of hard to tell where this pop was going to be. So off that entry of the 125, that would have been a $3 little run up there within this red 4-hour candle. We're still red on the 4-hour, hour, and the 15-minute. So all the bigger time frames are saying it still wants to go down. Let's see. Let's read some of these chats. Mine has been good so far. Just finishing up my morning chores. I got the chips. The market brought the dip. Does anyone have dessert? I don't know, man. The market may still be kind of strong today. It's definitely back green. And now with it going back green, I wonder, are these stocks going to actually continue, or are they going to be weak through these bottoming levels? Will they defy their charts because the SPY is going up? So it gave the green up movement up here to the 128.65, and now that red's coming. So I guess a short entry here will be the 125.87 in anticipation for it to get back down through this initial level. 125 or a break of 120, 126, 126. That's some indecision right there. So you have to see some green, see what this green bar is going to do. But as of now, you can't buy on this one as a short because it might just go down there, give a little bit of a move, and then bounce right back up. Previous high was the 128.70. As long as it stays below that, I think it's going to be okay. So it gave a little bit of green, but still this wouldn't be a buying candle unless you want to get trapped as a short. You see one more green candle to solidify that it actually wants to go down. Breaking 26, very short-lived break. Will it bounce out that 26? There's the bounce. Let's see if it'll give us one more green before going down. It bought off this level one more time. Can we see those 26s come back up? There's 26s. Very short-lived 26. Pushing that level. Can it give one more green candle bounce up? Or is it going to get strong here? Yep, there's a continuation. Got a little bit more of a push, so this trade would have just been a miss one. I want to see it come back up one more time. It broke out, let's see, from the 26 down to the 25.01, so about $1 move down. Let's go look at NVIDIA too. The SPY is also back red. So it's probably gonna keep these stocks moving down nice and red today. Okay, here's a green bar. So at this point, if it can jump up a little bit more, at this point, let's see, what is this? It 124, 124.93 will be an entry. If it can jump up just a little bit, prove that it wants to stay in this downtrend. Okay. Yeah. So 124.88. 124.90. What's the bottom of this candle? Low 124.87. Yep. So that was a green bar. Can we get continuation down through that level? $124.72. Wouldn't have got us in yet. Yeah, it's playing around this level quite a bit. May actually end up bouncing here. Okay. Don't want to see green again there. Yeah, this thing is getting bought up over this level. Let's see if it'll go back green. Almost there at the 124.75. Just a little tap. Yep. Nice. Okay. So it does want to continue down with the rest of the SPY and all that. DWAC came on down to $80, giving a little bounce back up there. But I think that's going to be the outstanding. I was thinking AMD was going to continue going down. Everything is let's see, Sicilian called out HLBZ, my bad. Let me see. HLBZ. Let's see, $3 getting up there. It's got 6 million shares. What is HLZB's news? HL or BZ. Woo, boy, that daily chart show doesn't look pretty. Did you look at the higher time frames on this one? Because definitely doesn't look great on HLZB. on the year chart, monthly chart, weekly chart, daily chart. Everything looks like death on HLZB. Anybody else do some call outs? Let's see. PayPal is back at 2020 prices. One life, one chance. You see something? Nope. Come to Detroit and work at GM. Get yourself that 10K profit sharing check. Okay, got you, Sicilian. Look at that range close up on it though. Like it went from 327. It's only up 50 cents. So even with this explosion, it's trying to hold up this 374, which was the previous high of the aftermarket, but I think it's going to end up breaking down. At this support level here. Oops. Yeah. It's got that support level 376. So if you're looking for like 5 cents, 2 cents, you know, this one may be the one for you. DWAC breaking back over the 80s, but still not looking good on any of its chart, this larger time frame charts. AMD, did you get that pop back up there? Yep. Only went down just a little bit. I knew it was playing around that level quite a bit and not pushing through it. But I think it's still going to go down due to the SPY continuing to drop. They're just following it. All right. Right, 2 cents on 10,000 shares. Yeah, that's some risk to reward. One life, one chance. Dang B says 10K, but in what time period? Because they advertised that, but you have to sign a contract for 10 years. So your bonus will be divided by 120 months. 120 months. DWAC pushing back up here. But yeah, I just not feeling it, man. Today is not the day to be trying to get frisky with the market. Not for longs. So that 125 level is becoming resistance down here. Let's see if it can. Oh, so $83 extra per month. Dang B, they get One Life said Dang B, they get profit sharing checks every year. Add it up, hater. And then One Life said, forget Chicago. Oh man, Nvidia, everything is just a bull trap today. HLBZ already gave back his profits. What little profits it did had. And think about it. If you risked, let's say you did buy 10,000 shares for a 5 cent risk, and now you're down 10 cents in the other direction. That's insanity. But I will be watching for MTech, that IPO to open up today. It's another IPO opening up at $4. So I'll be watching for that one. Get in just a little bit, see if they get any kind of news behind them or any kind of hype behind them, and see what they're about. Yeah, SB, it's a minefield. Yeah. And this is another day. We've had 2 days in a row that's been a sit and wait time. So will you give up some of your account today? Are you really willing to bet against a market that has went all the way up and now it needs a rest? I mean, it really does. It's run for how many days straight? It ran from, let's see. So this is it came down here to this bottom, popped back up. Okay, cool. Consolidated a little bit, but it's run for 1, 2, 3 days upward to the 450, which was the previous support becoming resistance. So yeah, I would just let it rest. This is not the time to play around. Not the time at all. And all the stocks that follow the SPY are looking real spicy. What did One Life said, or Daniel B said, One Life, One Chance, you are just jealous of Chicago, because we have every week more. I'm speechless on that one. I couldn't even read the rest of that one. Oh man, that's some dark humor right there. Real dark. Oh my gosh. The VIX is back down to $16. VIXY, which was up to $23 when the SPY originally took that big dip. So the SPY started dipping. It got a nice rip up here to the $22. Nice little rip, and now it's back down because the SPY has made its way back up. Looking a little too bullish. So this is something that you could, if you're bearish on the SPY, you could play the inverse. If you don't have a margin account to short, you can just play the inverses. Let's see. Yeah, guys, make sure you hit that like button. A slower day in the market, but we're sitting in the neutral position, which is still a position. AMD has made a lower low. Still holding up pretty well though. All its gains. I really thought it was gonna get back more than it did. Only gave back $4 worth of gains. Or wait, yeah, $4. Nvidia starting to crank up as well. Still not looking good on those higher time frames. I wish some penny stocks would get to moving. Something lower float. Let's see, KSCP down to $11 now. Following that overall downtrend. So it started from 16. Started from 6, popped up to 11 during pre-market, and now it's back to 11. Let's see, BTCS going down as well. It was at 530s up here, dropped down. SRRA came on down as well. ISIG previous bottom of the 1125. $2 away from breaking that down. Let's see. Anything else here I want to look at? Not really. INDO still going on down. Without me, would have lost 250 bucks, but I went ahead and put that stop loss in there and saved me a whole lot of money. Whole lot of money. DWAC not looking very good at all. Let's see. Lawrence says SWN still grinding up. Yeah. Yeah, it's just kind of returning to the mean. It's been trading around this. Let's see, I guess you could put a horizontal line. It's been trading around what looks like this level, just swinging back and forth on this level for a long time. But it's got a overall downtrend, but it's just been swinging around that level going down. One Life says day traders have a weird mindset. I'm just going to buy some more PAL and PayPal. Yeah, PayPal is They said it came on back down, and I'm forgetting. Yep. PayPal definitely taking a nice little dip down. Actually, they took a gap down, not a dip down. SPY coming back green on the day again. Everything else kind of picking up with the AMD and Nvidia coming back up as well. But still don't look great. SPY struggling with the red to green, red to green. Looking at Powell, could be in a buy zone. Mm-hmm. Gotta look at it on the larger Powell. Over here on the larger time frame, it's got a lot of work to do off this bottom on the yearly chart. The low of the year was 393. On the monthly chart, still coming on down there quite a bit. It may have a little bit more room down. Let me see. What is this? This is the 423. So I guess that's a top, but I don't know how powerful that will hold on this one. Because it can also fall right back down to the 290s. So in this zone here. But I don't trust it. SPY failed to come back to green completely. Very indecisive market up here at the 450s. Volume has decreased a lot on the SPY as well. Trying to get back out of these, trying to get back up over these ranges of the 455. So if volume is decreasing up here, we may see a little bit of a pullback. But we will see. Going green, very small green. Can it get that push over the 455.75? There it is. Where's that volume? Barely coming up. This candle might actually go red. It's getting volume, but it's just not going up. Okay, next candle opened. VIX reacting to the SPY about to drop. Let's see, the top was the 1627. And we can see that price move up as the SPY goes down on the VIXY. Where's One Life said, where's the guru? I don't know. Hopefully he's not in a trade right now, because he's getting burned up if he's in a trade right now. Let me see. Where if he was gonna trade, let's see, LZL. Look at all this profit this thing gave back. Look at this hour chart, top and tail. That's an absolute losing trade. Oh yeah. He was working on those white papers quite a bit yesterday. DWAC popping up there with a little bit of excitement. SPY got a little bit of a pop too. It looked like it was going to break out, but that may have been a nice little bull trap there. It's tried to go up and break this 456 multiple times. So let's see if DWAC pulls back now. DWAC must be heavily correlated with the SPY. Why is it moving with the SPY? I didn't think it was. I didn't think it was that dependent on the SPY. Where's your beta? They do not have a registered beta on DWAC. I took a little bit of a tumble. Let's see, will it break down to 453? I think it's definitely possible. Okay. All right, I am going to throw some clothes in the dryer. I'll be right back. Boy, look at the VIX getting on up there, making that move. It's a nice little dip. Yeah, the SPY kind of going flat today, not really making a decision whether it wants to go down or up yet. DWAC coming on down. Hmm. Everything on these watch lists is red separately. Let me go check what that market watch looks like on TD Ameritrade. Google, Microsoft, and Apple. All right. Guess I'll just be waiting around on MTech. That's about the only thing good that can happen today. I don't want to jump into this VIX, even though it looks good right here in this dip at 16. I mean, it could go back up, especially with the SPY looking like it is, but I don't know if I want to play around with the SPY, man. With it going flat, it's just not a good time to be entering the VIX. Now, if it was dumping, sure, the VIX will probably be the play, but that sideways motion just isn't good confirmation on the SPY. All right, let's pull up some news, see if any new news has dropped. Banks sell 1.6 billion of Morrison's riskiest debt direct to funds. Okay, banks involved in a buyout of UK grocer WM Morrison Supermarkets PLC. Oops, didn't mean to click that. Omicron slams U.S. private payrolls in January. That was 10 minutes ago. Stocks extend biggest gains since 2020. Crypto salaries are on the rise, but there are pros and cons. Why Google is the best big cap. Lori called out IINN. They just received news or something. Nope, no news. Just trading on the hype again. Again, this one moved from $3 up to $3.29, so 30 cents. It took it it took it 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, almost an hour to make 30 cents. 30 cents per share, that is. Looks like the SPY is making a decision. I see the VIX making a decision as well. Coming on up there to the 1640. Only a 20-cent rip out. What's the volume looking like on this one? Hit 100,000 shares once, twice, 3 times, and now it's looking like it's going to hit 100,000 going back in the other direction. VIXY getting on up there to the 1640s. I just don't think the SPY is done. It's going to go sideways on the day. Coming right down here to this bottom of the 453. So holding $3 above the 450, which was previous resistance. Lawrence says, for Powell for the third quarter period ending December 31st, 2022, the company expects revenue to be approximately 64.5 million, an estimated 288% year over year increase. Defense contracts, baby, LOL. Hmm. HLBZ ended up continuing down on the day as expected. Yeah. Lawrence says they will be delivering an undisclosed amount of supplies through their contracts starting in the summer of this year. Like I said, nothing to save a presidency like pumping a potential war. Yeah, this market is so dead. I'm scared. I'm kind of scared of this IPO opening up with the market like this. Like it's going to be fighting the entire market trying to do something crazy. I may just have to wait. Even if it opens up today, it may just dive off just like KSCP did, unless people just start buying it up immediately. I mean, it is going to open up at $4, so yeah, one life. Not in this, not on these. This is looking, you know, I like to take at least good setups. And in this market, you would just be forcing a trade to take even press the buy button. BTCS looking like it wants to give back some profit back to the $4. Only $1 away from four now. So as for now, there is no hope in this one in this market. Probably get a stream till 10 o'clock, which is like 30 more minutes. I do have a meeting at 11, and I'll be preparing for that and getting some more work done because, yeah, this is how you get your account blown on a day that you probably shouldn't even be trading. Nope, I haven't seen anybody drop anything in the chats about taking a trade. Oh, everybody's got the same mindset. For once, me, DB, and Daniel B are on the same page. Did I say me, DB, and One Life are on the same page? I don't know if I said that right. It sounded like I said DB and then Daniel B. I don't know. Maybe I didn't. This is what I'm saying, man. The SPY is going sideways. Look at this. It continues to fail to break down, fail to break down. Coming right back above this level. Let's see what's this level. 454.25. Look at that. Nah, man, this ain't what you want. Just sideways movement. I don't think she got in. She called it out, but I don't know if she got into it. Up 30 cents on the day with all of this previous pressure up here, selling pressure to the highs with a very indecisive market. So, I mean, if everybody's kind of sitting back today, you may not even get any breakouts. You may get a fake breakout, like a bot comes in and buys a bunch of shares and then sells on you real quick. But this kind of motion is not what we're looking for. There's not even a stock on my scanner that's over 8%, 6% and under. Look at this. The SPY is playing a fool's game today. I bet the VIX dumped off because of that. Yep. VIX taking a nice little dump there. That's some trickery right there. If you bought that breakout, you might have had maybe 25 cents, 25 cents profit. But you would have had to been watching the SPY closely because you could have got caught in this, which is a 20-cent drop. You know when SB says it's too dangerous, it must be really dangerous. SB plays with the Lions and Tigers and Bears. Wow. Bix gave back all that profit and about to give back some more. Looks like if the SPY keeps on doing what it's doing. So yes, you could have got a 25 cent gain, but if you just left this for the day and like you put a stop loss down here, I mean, you would come back and you could possibly be stopped out very quickly on this one because the SPY's going flat. Yeah, at this point, I know I said 30 more minutes, but boy, I'm getting real bored. The crazy thing is today is one of those days I don't even feel any FOMO. Like it's like, nah, bro, it just ain't good. Not a good look at all. Spy trying to get back green. DWAC trying to follow it. VIX gave back everything. Still going down. SENS, sins. Sense. Yeah, I don't know. It might be too late for that one. Maybe you bought down here at this double bottom, maybe, because it's only up 60 cents. So, how long did it take to do 60 cents? One, two, three, almost 4 days to get 60 cents of motion. And I'm pretty sure it probably doesn't have catalyst. Let me see. Nope. It offered or it announces equity grants to employees under inducement plan. Okay. Um Sensonomics says FDA decision in weeks. So they're waiting on the FDA decision. Just yeah. Not today. Not today. Don't worry, Daniel B. You didn't miss anything. It's nothing going on out here in the market except a bunch of shenanigans and probably some buffoonery, especially on the spot going flat. Keeps going red to green, red to green. I think today will actually close in indecision. PayPal was a good buy spot for you. That thing may have some room, some continuation room to go down. It gapped down from the 170 down here to the 132. Where is a catch point on PayPal? Where could it be? Where is a low on this one? PayPal has room down to the, let's see, over here on the higher time frames. We have a little bit of support right at $100. Let's see. So that was the last like real level of consolidation down here across the 130, 125 level right there on the monthly chart, looks like. On the weekly chart, broke down that 200 moving average on the weekly. So I just do not trust that. I think it still got room down to at least 100. Or close to it, like 115, 110, somewhere down there. Plus, we need to see some more consolidation. The last consolidation was up here at the 188s. So, yeah, got a lot of work to do. All right, well, anyway, that's going to be my stream for today. I don't want to look at this market anymore. MTech, I'll probably, since it's opening up at $4, I just have to see what it wants to do tomorrow or something, or maybe this afternoon. I don't know when it's going to open up. Maybe a late open, but I'm going to go ahead and get ready for my meeting. Appreciate you guys for tuning in. Don't forget to hit that like button. If you're not subscribed, you can consider subscribing. But yeah, man, today was, wow, it was dead in the market. All right. Sitting on my hands, neutral day. So, well, if I take a trade this afternoon on that IPO, you know, I'll get in small. It's not gonna be anything big, and I'll just hold it till tomorrow to see if I can participate in any kind of craziness throughout aftermarket and pre-market. But other than that, I didn't see anything today. Even on my previous watch list, dead. You guys, if you're gonna continue trading, be careful. And remember that trading is risky. You know, you need to pay attention to what the market's telling you. Also, check out frameworkfortune.com. We have the Discord available. Once you sign up on the website, you can get access to that community chat. Man, I'm drained just even looking at this market today. But yeah, appreciate all you guys. Shout out to everybody dropping your comments. And as always, I will see you in the next one. Peace.